In the heart of a fierce snowstorm, three tiny white baby cats lay helpless, buried under the biting wind and falling snow. Their little bodies trembled, barely clinging to life, their cries almost silent against the roaring storm. Just when hope seemed to vanish, a kind man wearing a white t-shirt appeared. Hearing the faintest, desperate meow, he stopped and turned toward the sound. Rushing through the snow, he found them three fragile white kittens, weak and shivering. Without a second thought, he removed his jacket, wrapped them gently inside, and held them close to his chest, shielding them from the bitter cold. With urgency in his steps, he raced through the storm, not away from danger, but toward a chance to save them. He reached a shelter, his breath heavy, and pleaded for help. Inside, warmth returned. The shelter team laid the kittens on soft towels, cleaned them, and began treatment. Tiny paws twitched, little eyes opened, and one kitten let out a soft, hopeful meow, the sound of life beginning to return. The man visited them every day, bringing food, toys, and gentle care. Under his watchful eyes, the three white baby cats began to eat, move, and even play again. A week later, stronger and healthier, they were ready to leave. And he made a beautiful choice. He brought them home. Now, in a warm little house with a glowing fireplace and soft blankets, the three kittens curl up together, finally safe, deeply loved, and never alone again. Because sometimes, heroes don't need capes. They just wear white t-shirts and carry the biggest hearts.